Okay, so there is not. I hate calling it a war. There's like a debate happening whether Song of the Year is relevant anymore, and also another question is who won the Song of the Year 2020? Because there's Ukuzani, Ijele, and Makazi, Murahu. So let's talk about Song of the Year. It's unfortunate that we have two songs right now. Some people are saying it's Makazi. Some people are saying it's Ijele, Kuzani, Maskandi, a musician out in the KZN. And some people are also talking about Nomkebo or Big Zulu, People are asking who won Song of the Year 2020? And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a very good question. And I'm like thinking, who won it? And the answer is simple, guys. It's simple in a sense that, unfortunately, unlike the previous years when the whole country will have one song to dance to when we're about to cross over to the next year or the following year, this time things have changed. Radio stations have taken it upon themselves to have polls where listeners can vote, and the top song per radio station will win for that radio station. So people are confused right now that Makazi won Song of the Year in different radio stations, especially in the Limpopo province. She was voted top song on Nkanelo, Para Para FM, is it Mutweding FM, Tobel FM, and other community radio stations. Some people are talking about Metro FM and SABC1, which I'm not sure about those ones. And also on Capricorn FM and other radio stations that we don't know. There are a lot of community radio stations that played Murahu 12 o'clock midnight on the 31st. So Makazi won there. But then we have Big Zulu, who also competed, didn't get a lot of votes in a lot of radio stations. I thought maybe he would have won for True FM. I don't think he made it there. I feel like it was some song. True FM had another song there. I can't remember the song, but it was not even Ijele or Murahu by Makazi or Big Zulu. They had a different song. Metro FM also had their song. People are talking about Makazi there. Some people are talking about Olamoya Wam, Nomkebo. We don't know. I can't remember because the stations were not accurate in terms of tweeting or updating there, because I didn't listen to all these radio stations. But all I was doing is to check what was the song of the year as per radio stations with regard to their tweets or what they said was their top song. Because FM did confirm and put results that Ijele by Maskandi artist Ukuzani won. Ukuzani won Song of the Year for Ukhozi FM. That one we have to be clear, guys. It was for Ukhozi FM. So all these radio stations were having polls for people to vote so that their station would have their own Song of the Year. So it was not for the country. It was not for the country. So nobody has won Song of the Year for the country. People won Song of the Year in their own respective radio stations. So that brought a lot of confusion, and people were like, Makazi deserves it. Everybody deserves it. I mean, Big Zulu deserves it too. If it was according to me, I feel like Big Zulu should have won something, because I know he came third on Ukhozi FM, where Ijele led with over 950 something thousand votes. That's almost 1 million votes. So it's a proof that as much as Ijele, people didn't know about it, even myself didn't know about it. People who listen to Ukhozi FM love Maskandi music. So whenever you're going to vote and you have Maskandi artists there, unfortunately, the Maskandi song will win. I think all artists in the KZN are fine with that. They've accepted it, Unlike back in the days when we will dance to Mafiki Zolo, everybody was like, hey, ipatim nandegangaka, ipatim. We will cross over with the same song back then. But these days things have changed. It's according to a radio station that you listen to. For example, SAFM went with Jerusalem. Can you believe it? SAFM played Jerusalem at 12 o'clock, And I'm hearing that SABC1 had Makazi, but people are saying it was Olamoyam. Some people are saying it was some other artist, I forgot the name of the artist. So it's confusing. The songs that deserve to win won in their respective radio stations, and then those who didn't win. And there is no song of the year for South Africa. A song of the year per radio station. Because I remember for Kozo FM, I know that radio presenters will vote for the best song. So they'll nominate top 10 songs, and then they'll cut it to 5 and then 3, and then those will be the winners. So the presenters will choose a song, and then they'll combine the votes from presenters, the voting by listeners, and also numbers from the system. The play out system in the radio station will tell you how many times the song was played, so that song will automatically be nominated. So it's interesting enough for Ukhozi FM, because the winner gets 50,000 rand, the second place gets 30,000 rand, and the third place gets 20,000 rand. So at least it's money. The truth of the matter is, people who listen to Ukhozi FM love Maskandi music. Most of them, I'll say that. And then in other radio stations, you find that it's divided. Some people love house music, some love traditional music, and the other radio stations don't normally play a lot of traditional music. Then True FM and Mhlobwenene, they do play traditional music, but most of them play Maskandi. So Maskandi music will always have to be top. But the other radio stations, people are divided. Some people love house music, and some people love gospel music. So there'll be a lot of confusion. I personally feel like if there was a gospel song in most of the radio stations, that gospel song will get votes. But do people that listen to gospel follow these things of voting for the song of the year? I don't think they do. Most of them are in church, they cross over to the year while they're in church, and under the circumstances this year, I doubt they were in a church service or setting. South Africa did not have a song of the year 2020, but radio stations had song of the year. Don't go around and say Ijele shouldn't have won. Ijele deserved to win for Ukhozi FM, and then Murahu also deserved to win for Palapala FM and Nkanelo. Radio Sondag, I'm not sure what song they played there. I don't know, but yeah, guys, let's stop the fight, because there is no song of the year for South Africa, but the song of the year per radio station. I hope that thank you very much, guys. Legere mina ek is dors kan happy new year. Salut, mga titimel.